It is said that a picture speaks 1,000 words. Well, imagine 90 of these pictures, each one full of information flashing across the screen each and every second. That is the power of documentaries and video in imparting information and knowledge. And for our next documentary, the topic is deep enough to make this many words a necessity. Showing of the tragedy of underpaid traditional block printing artisans, we have Karz, a documentary made by Parinya Santlani. Please.
"500 years, 5 centuries. Hand-block print is one of the oldest art forms of India, and just like many other art forms, this is on the brink of extinction.
मेरा नाम धीरज है, धीरज छिपा। मैं बगरू में रहता हूँ। बगरू जो कि एक ऐसा गांव है जहाँ पे ट्रेडिशनली हाथ से कपड़ों पर छपाई की जाती है, तो और उनको बिल्कुल नेचुरल तरीके से ट्रीट किया जाता है और नेचुरल रंगों से ही उनमें कलर्स किए जाते हैं। तो सबसे पहले हम लोग रॉ मटेरियल लाते हैं, कपड़ा, उसको वॉश करते हैं। तो बगरू प्रिंट के लिए फिर हम इसको हरडा करना होता है, जो कि हम पीला करना भी बोलते हैं। उसके बाद में ये जाता है छपाई पे। प्रिंटिंग होने के बाद ये जितना भी एक्स्ट्रा गम वगैरह है जो सब निकालने के लिए इसको वॉशिंग करते हैं। वॉशिंग करने के बाद उसको सुखाएंगे। सुखाने के बाद फिर इसको जो गर्म पानी से जो भट्टी हो रही थी उसमें पकाते हैं। उसमें पकाने के बाद जितने भी कलर्स है, रेड और ब्लैक, वो सब फिक्स हो जाते हैं।
As commercialization takes the spotlight, the core of our cultural tradition is dying out. Stop and think about it. The very block printed clothes you buy for thousands of bucks, the real artist behind the art gets merely 1 to 2% of it.
मेरे को 36 साल हो गए इसलिए।
अच्छा,
मैं 8 साल का लग गया था इस काम में।
अच्छा,
8 साल
नहीं है। हमारा ये है ना, पीढ़ी दर वाला बंदा है। ये अभी मैं कलर भी पक्के कर रहा हूँ। इसमें कलर आ रहा है, रेड कलर, इसको मैं पका रहा हूँ। हम इसमें सुबह जल्दी 4 बजे से हम इसमें लगते हैं। ये क्या, सुबह जल्दी का काम होता है।
अगर वेजिटेबल असली हो है तो पूरा काम टेकल का होना चाहिए, और वो है ही नहीं। ये पूरा केमिकल भी दुपल आ रहा है, केमिकल ही केमिकल हो गया है, कहने का मतलब वेजिटेबल रही ही नहीं।
गरम है, उससे प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता आपको?
नहीं मैम, उसको हैबिट हो जाती है ना, हमें हैबिट हो जाती है इसके काम में।
क्यों चालू किया था ये
काम तो पैसा पैदा करने के लिए करते हैं और कुछ नहीं।
क्यों?
वो तो फिर पढ़ाएंगे भी इनको।
If the artists won't, how will the art survive? We owe this to them we owe this to the art.
Good afternoon and a very warm welcome to each of you. Like my dad says, Padharo Mare Desh. I know lunch starts soon and everyone's tired, so I'm going to make this quick. My name is Parinya Santlani. Most of you know me as Ravi's daughter, but today I stand here not just as his daughter, but as an artist who's holding her first ever art exhibition. I have witnessed and helped out in these conferences for years, but today I'm a part of it. I can't help but feel a rush of emotions. Sanganeri block print isn't just about colors and patterns on fabric. It's a part of my journey, a thread that connects me to my past. Growing up, I wore these prints, not knowing the stories that they held. My late grandfather's medical store in Sanganer was something that connected me to that area of the town. And behind every beautiful piece of art, there's a story. So today, I would like to share a story that moved me deeply. These clothes that we buy from huge brands where we spend so much money, the real artisan, the artisan who created the prints, who infused life in the design, gets just 1/50th of the price, which is what, 30 to 40 rupees on the 3,000 that we spent. Their dedication and skill shape the very essence of this art, yet their names remain in the shadows. I couldn't ignore this disparity, and so my exhibition aims not just to captivate your eyes, but to touch your hearts. It's about remembering the hands that craft these masterpieces, hands that deserve recognition, fair wages, and respect. Today, I invite you to look beyond the canvas. Let these paintings and stories remind us of the art's significance, not just as a decoration, but as a part of our shared heritage. As we stand at this crossroads, let's bring back the values, recognition, and dignity that these artisans deserve. Let's infuse new life into the fading art, ensuring it lives on. Thank you for joining me on this journey and rediscovery celebration. Together, let's paint a brighter future for Sanganeri block print. Now I welcome Mr. Subodh Kerkar, who you do not need an introduction for after that exceptional session. I welcome him to inaugurate the exhibition outside. I urge everyone to please come and take a look at the artworks before going for the lunch. Thank you.